Ask yourself this question: what have you done this summer? If the answer is nothing much, something is wrong. You can ask your parents what are their summers like. For example, my parents work during the summer and only go on vacation if their boss lets them. So they're not free. I'm not actually hating on my parents or saying anything against them, because this is the case with most parents. And it's not their fault. They couldn't have known any better. But thanks to the internet, today you can. Your education and knowledge is not a problem. Problem is that you're not taking enough action. And if you continue doing this, you will end up just like your parents, not free when they're supposed to be free. So I'm not wasting any more of your time. Go and do what you have to do. Don't watch my videos right now, but you can subscribe so you can watch them later. Now go and take action.